Hey YouTubers, I'm gonna do a tool review of I've already organized it of my pliers. They're 10 inches by 3 inches by it's by Ernest Plier Pro. Here's a part number 5500. Does 10 tool plier organizer. Made in the USA, which is nice. Seems to be lifetime warranty. So let's try it out. I had all of these just jumbled up in here. Now I got more room. It seems like it works better. Everything fits. Some of the bigger crescents I couldn't put in there. These pliers and everything, they're too, they're just too tall. But I've got doubled up on some of them, so I hope this does some help. This is tool view. I like them. I've got other Ernest stuff that I've tried, and these seems pretty good. They're out of good material. They're sturdy, as you can see. They're pretty sturdy. So hope this helps you, and I'm gonna do some more on some different Ernest stuff that I've gotten, some socket organizers and stuff. So hopefully this helps you out. It does save, because like I said, all of these were in here, and it was just jumbled up. So I want to get another one and hopefully try to get some more of these in here. So alright, hope this helps you, and that's it.